Welcome back. That is so bright. Well, today is, obviously you guys can see the day that we're hang on, man. Oh my god. Today is the day that we are, well, that's better. Today's the day that we're priming this freaking engine bay, okay? So it is around 9 at night, okay? I've been, not all day, but since around I took it easy today. I've just needed a little bit of relaxation. You guys, I've been jamming out content. Sorry for missing a day, by the way. But I've been trying to get this thing to a point where I'm happy and we can get some paint on this thing. It is very cold, so I'm about to get the heater going. This engine bay is finally gonna start coming to life. We'll see what it looks like, all one color. We'll see how it looks. And then the nice part is about primer, if we do have an imperfection or something we're not happy about, we can always go ahead and sand it off, fix whatever we need to fix, prime to get, we don't need to prime the whole thing again, just prime the little area. And then I gotta wet sand the whole engine bay. So, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Alright guys, status update. We have sanded the whole surface with everything that we need to, like everything is rough sanded. Went ahead and did 220 on everything, so there are no rough spots. All the fillers sanded down. Glazing putty is all good to go. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea, this is is surreal. I'm gonna go ahead now, I'm gonna do the major visible spots, so the upper rad support, the arches, the strut towers, the back of the firewall, most of the stuff, to be quite honest, just nothing that's not visible and stuff like that. I'm gonna go hit that stuff with the 400 grit just to get it super slick, super glassy, and then we'll go ahead and vacuum it all, air it all down again, vacuum it down again, sweep up, get this whole area nice and clean, and then start masking this car down, man. It's happening, dude. Tonight it's actually happening, bro. I'm super stoked. You guys have no idea. So let's continue on. Oh, and then also before, obviously we paint, wax and grease remover again, and then we'll be looking good. Alright guys, I feel like I'm such in a small, I am in a confined room. I feel like every camera angle is almost the same. I'm so sorry for that, but I'm kind of working with what I got. One day we'll have a super awesome shop, guys, believe me, and the potential will be gnarly. So, guys, this is it. I'm pretty much freaking ready. Car is masked off. I got pretty much everything that's important in the garage masked off. You shouldn't get too crazy in here. We'll open the door, we'll get the fan kind of sucking some air out. Got the heat, I had the heat going, so it's somewhat warm in here, so we at least get started. And I have everything masked off. It's a whole lot easier when you don't have any of this in there. We have the whole engine bay wiped down and wax and grease remover. I'm pretty much ready to go, guys. So without wasting any time, it's kind of weird. Unfortunately, sorry, dude, this mess is, ooh, it's bugging me. So I bought some new primer tips. These are the 1.8s, The 1.8. So unfortunately this is like some weird 2.0 series, so this does not even work with my gun anymore. I no longer have the 2.0, like apparently there's a different type of these now, but so anyways, I am going to be spraying it with a 1.4 atomizing head, which will still be fine. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, however, is reduce the primer a little bit by 10% so it flows a little bit better. That's my plan. So the primer I'm actually working with, we're using some epoxy primer. There's the part number, there you go. And this stuff is actually 1-to-1 with this stuff, which is the activator. So one part to this is 1 part of the primer, and you are good to go ahead and start mixing and priming. So let's go ahead and get these things mixed up, man. Let's get the gun loaded up. And I don't know, I feel like there's no need to waste any time tonight, guys. It's like 1 in the morning. Let's get some primer laid down, hey? Since I don't really have any room, I made myself a little table out of our new clutch. Shot out competition clutch, man. We'll dive into this here very, very soon. But let's go ahead. We're gonna need to stir this for a while. This usually has a bit of settling. It says direct to metal, as you can see right there, but this is actually used on every surface. I mean, you can put this on pretty much every stuff, so this is good. I've never sprayed epoxy primer, but I'm ready to. All right, so like I said, we're gonna have to stir this up for probably quite a while because it has a lot of settling. They put on the shaker, but I still don't think it'll be fully shook. So go ahead and take a little. Actually, wow, it's not too bad. This is actually really nice. That's where our paint's going. And then here we got 1-to-1, so easy. We got the first little table. It's easy. It's nice. These little mixing cups show you all of the ratios. So you got 1-to-1 here, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, and you can go ahead and, you know, all that crazy stuff. And you can go ahead percentages, and if you want to reduce stuff. So it's pretty damn nice. This is kind of sketchy here. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's up to our 4 mark. And this is it, man. So once we put our activator in, I mean, we're pretty much going for the gusto here. I'm gonna get my reducer out. Got our reducer here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna tack rag. I'm gonna tack rag the engine bay first, just so that is out the way, and I can just go ahead and just get to it after that. You know what I'm saying? All right, where were we? Oh yes. Activator. So there's that, and then we'll take some reducer and go to 10%, which is hardly anything. And it shows you right there, 10% is right there. But we're going to go ahead and do that. There we go. Now we stir it all up, put in the gun, and we'll get spraying, man. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited. Alright, boys and ladies, of course, this is it, man. This is what all this prep has come down to. This moment right here. Let's get her done, shall we? This is awkward. This is weird. Okay, there we go. Yes, I don't think this is going to work very well. Hang on. Alright, let's get it. Oh, by the way, when you set your gun up, what I do is full trigger, 20 PSI. Just a little rule of thumb, you know? Let's get to it. I'm gonna catch back up with you guys in a minute. It's almost 3 a.m. right now, but I'm gonna let this place warm up a little bit. I'm actually gonna go take a shower right quick and I'll be back to finish this video up. But god damn, ladies and gentlemen, can we just appreciate seeing this in one color again? Oh my god, it looks epic. Woohoo! Yes, dude. Yes. Yes. All right, guys. So, damn, this is nice. This is nice, man. I know it's just primer, but you guys have got to understand the amount of work that it took to get to this damn point. So much. So much. So this is definitely an achievement. This is a big day. This is a big moment. There are a couple little things that I see. The only thing I can notice is like, you guys see that right there? What's up with that like weirdness? This up, like it's just on the upper radiator support here. So worst comes to worst, I'll have to sand this down and then just maybe put like, maybe there needs some more filler. Oh my god, what is that thing? But worst comes to worst, we can just redo that because this is like a main part of what you first see. But everything here, I mean, this looks all phenomenal. There are a couple little like grinding marks you can kind of see. There's one right there. You guys see it? Kind of right in the top of the strut tower. The next big step for this whole thing, once this dries, which hopefully it dries, it's super cold out, we'll go ahead and put some guide coat on here to spray like some black spray paint, just a light dusting, and then I'll go ahead and sand everything, and we'll be able to see the low spots, and maybe we can sand them out, you know what I mean? It's very possible. It's like after 3 in the morning, I just showered, I'm ready to go. Edit this up, have some food, and we'll start back up again later on today. But I'm super excited, man. Hopefully you guys are as well. This is a huge step in the build process, and from here it's just, you know, we gotta toss some color on it. That's for sure. But for real, guys, thank you so much for supporting me. The sanding, prep, bodywork videos are pretty much over, so we can all be happy about that. You guys killed it with the likes. What was it, 2 videos ago? We hit over 1,000. If we get 1,000 this video, I know it's at the end of the video, so I might have lost a few people, but for those that are still stuck around, if we could get that thumbs up button, it would be freaking huge. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm gonna be out here for another half hour or so with the heat on, letting it warm up, hopefully dry it a little bit more while we can, and we'll be back here later to just keep on rolling with this build, man. It's happening. It is happening. This is gonna be fire. Yeah, okay, let me just show you guys around right quick. The light makes it a little bit tricky. But yeah, man, I mean, it's looking really good. Everything's looking really good. That's not a run. Do any of you guys even see that? That's not a run, that's just like an impression in the metal. There are a couple runs here and there, but I just laid it on, you know what I mean? Spots I couldn't really see. But we're all good. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys back again tomorrow, hopefully around the same time. I'm a little bit wild in my upload times, but please just follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever you guys gotta do, and that's the easiest way to kind of get notified when new content's up. Once you guys have that bell icon turned on, which if you do, that's freaking incredible. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Later. Peace.